So this is the Sony Walkman WM-EX1 cassette player. Had this thing for a while, been sitting on it, waiting for the right time to sell it. It was sold to me as a brand new unit, never used, and after looking at it, I think it is brand new. That's what the box looks like. No, I've already had it out of the box, so it's not going to be probably packed right. Got your manual, printed in 1994. Some more instructions, some instructions about your headset, warranty card, so here's your player in a felt case. It says Walkman right there. It's pretty perfect. I mean, there are no scratches on this thing. I don't know that much about it. I played with it a little bit. Would have come with a pair of headphones. Should be a model number, yeah, MDR014. Has a little remote with your volume control. I'm not sure what's all on there. Can't read it. Hold. It's got a clip, so you can clip it onto your shirt or whatever. So also, it has the original batteries. Okay, so here's the original rechargeable battery. It was starting to leak a little bit. I've already cleaned it up. And here's the original AA battery from Sony. You can see it's starting to leak a little bit on the end. And this is the charger for the rechargeable battery. Model number BC9HU. So anyways, this is your battery pack down here for your, on the bottom for your AA battery. So it screws in. It's got a little screw in there. So to take it out, there's your screw. That's what you're unscrewing. Screws into that hole right there. And then to put a battery in there, you just pop it open. Just like that. That thing is perfectly clean. You can tell the battery's never been in there. I mean, it is clean. I don't even remember how to get this thing open. Open right there on top. Okay, so you got your battery indicator, open button, volume control, Dolby on off. I guess is this auto reverse? Looks like that's the auto reverse button. I'll have to read up on it a little bit. There's where your headphones plug in. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that's where your rechargeable battery goes. Okay. Got a little door there. That's where your battery pack plugs in. What else we got going on here? I guess that's it. A little window there so you can see your tape playing. There you go. Pops open just like that. Serial number. Got a bunch of writing in there. Dolby noise reduction manufactured under license. Okay. But just looking at the heads and the pinch roller, the tape guides, you can tell nothing's been through there. So anyways, I did try to play tape on it. It's been sitting for so long that the belt is, it's not stretched, it's just bent out of, basically bent out of shape. It plays a little slow. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a new belt in. It looks relatively easy from what I've seen. Just a matter of taking out, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 screws to take out. They're very small. Don't lose them. And then take this cover off and the belt will be exposed. So that's what the belt looks like. I got this off eBay. It was pretty inexpensive. It was like 10 bucks or something. I don't remember. So anyways, we're going to give it a shot. And then after that, this thing should be in perfect working condition. So after you get the 5 screws out, this thing should be relatively loose. You can just kind of slip your fingernail under it and see that it's loose all the way around. So you want to pull the bottom off first, the bottom where the rechargeable battery goes. But you have to get this little door off first. So you got that shiny chrome metal clip that's holding the plastic piece on. So basically, you have to take a screwdriver and you should be able to lift up on that tab and this plastic piece should come out. Just like that. Let's see. Just like that. So it just fits in that groove right there. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Pry up on that tab on the end. Make sure you have a nice clean work surface because those screws on the side are really, really small. So I think bottom should come up, should come right off, just like that. Sorry if my camera's not focusing, I'm not sure what the problem is. Anyways, that's what it looks like on the inside. Here's all your controls. So before you, after you replace the belt, you don't have to put it all back together. You just push on those buttons. Looks relatively easy. I don't think you have to take anything apart to replace that belt. By looking at the, you should be able to slip the belt underneath this frame part right here, and then it looks like it just loops around. I don't see where you have to take anything apart, but let's figure it out. So anyways, the way I figured out it was the belt, see, I played it and it was playing, but it was playing slow. So I took it apart and then put a tape in there again and just stick a screwdriver or whatever behind the belt and put a little tension on it, and it started to play fine. So that's how I figured out it was the belt. The belt is just stretched or out of shape or whatever. I just put a little tension on the belt like that, and it played perfectly fine. So I am guessing the belt is stretched. Pull belt off. Yep, comes right off. Just have to fill it, get it underneath that brace. Yeah, I mean, you can see how stretched out the old one is. It was really stretched out. Helps if you have smaller hands, which I don't. Not too delicate. One goes, got a little pin right there. Has to fit behind that pin. Or guide, whatever it is, which should be easier than it is. Okay, whoops, came out. Dang. Hang on. All right. Got it behind the pin here, so you just have to put it around this pulley, I believe. This last pulley. Is that it? Can it be that simple? Even simple for me, which is saying a lot. I don't do this very often. It looks like it. Let's try tape. Okay, so I got a battery in there. Battery pack is hooked up. It works, but it worked before, so we won't know until we get a tape. So I've got a bunch of random tapes. I don't know if this is a good one or not, to be honest with you. Now I assume you can plug any headphones into here, right? There's the indicator. You don't need to use the factory headphones with the remote. There's a headphone jack. Yep, there we go. Volume. Where's the volume? Jeez. You kidding me? Where is the volume control? It's on the top. Right there. Yep, I think that's it. We got it. So simple job. Anybody can do it. If you're looking for one of these, this one's going to be on eBay soon. It's a good unit. Comes with everything you need. Good luck.